Rosen with Pliant Technologies. We're here at InfoComm 2016, and we're showing our new Crewcom wireless intercom system. This is a really revolutionary system. It begins with a new package. This is the Crewcom Bell Pack. This can have up to 4 conferences, and rather than doing a standard kind of intercom system, we've come up with a new way to communicate call conferencing. We have 1,024 conferences. It allows us to have many people communicate the way they wish without the expense of a matrix system and without the inflexibility of a party line. The system can interface with any existing wireless wired intercom system through the I/O in the control unit. One of the very interesting attributes about this system is that we base it on a new network we call CrewNet. CrewNet is a backbone that allows us to have communication across many areas with many people. And this has enabled us to have a higher density, more users, and more locations than really any other systems that we've ever been able to do. So the structure of the system, one of the very unique attributes is the fact that we have our own networking system called CrewNet. CrewNet allows us to not only have wireless communication over long distances, it also allows us to have multiple conferences and multiple communication paths. So for example, we have here our remote transceiver, and this transceiver can be connected via Cat5 or via fiber. Now this transceiver has the capability of using up to 6 bell packs, or we can also change the mode and use 32 bell packs on one transceiver for our high density system. That gives you 32 users, 4 people can talk at a time. Now because this has unique capabilities, by placing this on a network, we can use multiple transceivers and allow 6 or 12 or 18 users plus the 32 plus the 32 high-density node users all at the same time in one area. And that's up to 50 people at one time. We can also go cascade systems and perform those together. So you theoretically can do 200 people in one area. I say theoretically it's not practical. Most people would want 200 people. But the other side of this is allowing you to place these in many locations. We also have the ability to have multiple frequencies. So for example, this is a CRT 2400. This is a 2.4 transceiver. We have the identical product available in 900 megahertz band. You can use one, the other, or both simultaneously. This gives you the capabilities of having multiple locations, multiple users, multiple frequencies, and moving from location to location without any user intervention at all. A bit like using a cell phone. Where this becomes in handy for schools, for theaters, for auditoriums, is your ability to place a system in the bowl, in the audience, in the actual space for the stage, but then very simply run a cable backstage, out to the loading dock, down into the basement, almost any place that you need. We just add another transceiver, add coverage, hook it onto the network. Very simple, very straightforward. And the system self-manages all the frequencies. All the users need to do is plug it in, turn it on, and talk.
Excellent. So where can people go for more information about Crewcom?
Well, you can go to www.plianttechnologies.com, and we will be releasing the system. We'll be shipping in the early fall.